Get ready for Mother's Day with Frey Skincare BOGO offer. As Mother's Day is approaching, we all are now on a quest to find the perfect gift for our mothers or the motherly figures in our lives. And while the traditional gifts such as flowers, chocolates, and cards are lovely, they may not always do justice to the amount of love and care that mothers pour into our lives. This Mother's Day, why not gift your mom something that she will truly benefit from, like FRE Skincare? FRE Skincare is excited to announce their Mother's Day BOGO offer, exclusively for all the active and sporty mothers out there. Let's dive more into the details of the offer and find out how it can benefit you and your mother. Frey Skincare has emerged as the #1 skincare partner for your active life. Their unique range of sun care and skincare products is built to cater to the specific needs of women who work out, from professional athletes to active women on the go. If your mom is someone who loves leading an active lifestyle, or if she exercises regularly, the Frey Skincare range is what she needs. And with the BOGO offer, you can gift her with a complete Frey Skincare set without breaking the bank. When you buy a Frey Skincare set, you are not only benefiting your mother's health, but you are also contributing to the betterment of the environment. Frey Skincare believes in replenishing the ecosystem by planting an argan tree in Morocco with every set sold. The argan forests have been under constant threat of deforestation, but with Frey's efforts, the forests are now replenished, and the women who harvest argan oil are empowered with the income generated from the sale of oil. Frey Skincare products are backed by a team of dermatological scientists who specialize in analyzing the effects of intense exercise, sweat, sun, and outdoor conditions on the facial skin. Their research has resulted in skincare products that are not just effective, but are also light and non-greasy, making them ideal for those who live an active lifestyle. The products are developed using skin-friendly ingredients such as argan oil, argan leaf water, and argan stem cells that nourish and protect facial skin from environmental stressors. The best part about the Frey Skincare range is that they have products for every skin type, whether it is dry, oily, or combination skin. So, no matter what type of skin your mom has, you can find a product that would work well for her. Moreover, with the BOGO offer, you can keep one product for yourself and gift the other to your mother. It's a win-win situation for both of you. With the Frey Skincare BOGO offer, gifting your mother with a skincare set that caters to her active lifestyle has never been easier. And what could be more satisfying than gifting your mother a product that is environmentally friendly and beneficial for her skin? So, hurry and grab the Frey Skincare BOGO offer before it expires. Your mom will love it.